Hey there. In this video, we'll be talking about Sourcegraph's Code Search, and we'll do a little bit of an introduction on how to use Code Search and get to exactly what you're looking for quickly and efficiently. So in this video, we'll be using Code Search, and here we're using it on the web. This is primarily where you'll be using Code Search. So Code Search is a powerful code search and intelligence tool. It'll let you search for exactly what you're looking for, and we'll do that with 3 different types of searches. We'll do keyword search, literal search, and a regex search. And then we'll also be able to filter through the results. So you can see down here, you have some instructions on how to search. You can search for each of these different types of searches. You can do types as commit diffs as well. You can filter by file, repo, language, and there's even more advanced things that we'll talk about. So to get us started, this is our search box. This is where you'll start the majority, all of your searches. And right now you can see that there's one filter here called context global. So what is a context? Context will be the repositories that you're searching for your code. And in this case, we have it set to global, which is all of the global public repositories. In your case, it might be what is set up by your Sourcegraph admin, which could be just the repositories at your company, or you could even create multiple different types of contexts like front end, back end, API, and have each of those point specifically to certain different areas of your code. Now, context can be created by your Sourcegraph admin or by individuals. Let's do our first search. For this one, we will be using keyword search. It's the default search, new auth provider. I'll type in. And it will use keyword search to look for these 3 words, but not necessarily in that order. And you can see it right here. There's 10,000 results in 1.34 seconds, which is quite a lot in very little time. But we have new auth provider, which matches what we were searching for. But we also have a substring right here, providers. We also have function names right here, new auth provider. So keyword search is very powerful and very, I would say, general purpose. It's kind of like the Swiss Army knife of searches. So while we're here, we can talk about these filtering results on the left. You can filter by code type, code, repository, paths, symbols. You can filter by repository. You can even filter by language. So if I just click TypeScript right here, it'll filter this down. Still 10,000 plus results. But what we can also do here is remove the filter on the left. And if you wanted to type it directly in here, you could type in language. And you can see the autocomplete kind of helping you out. You click lang, and then you can click JavaScript right here, and then press enter to run that search again. All right, so that is keyword search, very useful. The next thing we'll talk about is literal search. Now, if you wanted to search exactly for this term, new auth provider, I'll wrap it in quotes, and now you have a literal search. And this is really helpful for if you're searching for a specific code snippet, maybe you're searching for that to-do that you've been putting off. So press enter, and that searches for specifically those 3 words in that order with the spaces in between them, and only 3 results here, new auth provider, new auth provider, new auth provider. So that's keyword search and literal search. The last search that we'll talk about is Regex Search. So let me go over here on the right and enable regular expression just by clicking that button. Let me delete all of this, and then I'm going to paste in a regex that I have. It'll search for anything that says to do, fix me, hack, bug, optimize, and let's see this run. All right, 10,000 results, hack, 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 lots of hacks. But notice that it searches also for the word, the keyword that we're searching for, bug right here, plus anything matching, and that's because of this asterisk, this dot asterisk at the end of this regex. And if you're asking, no, I didn't write that regex myself, I don't know how to write that. I had AI write it for me. But overall, those are our 3 types of searches. I hope you found them helpful. Keyword, literal, regex. And hopefully, with all 3 of those put together, it'll help you find what you're looking for quickly and efficiently. So we'll be talking more about code search and talking about more tips and how to use it in the next couple videos. Thanks for watching.